Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel a Shein order after it has been shipped. Let's get started. First, open the Shein app. Go to your profile in the bottom right icon. Then, tap the customer service. Then scroll down and click chat with agent or the live chat support option. Explain your situation clearly. If the item hasn't left the country or it's still at a sorting center, support may help stop delivering. If cancellation isn't possible, simply return the package when it arrives. Don't open the package when it delivered. Open the Shein app and go to your profile, then orders. Then tap view all, then select the order. Then choose return item. Then select the items to return and provide a reason. Follow the steps to complete the return and choose your refund method. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.